Yes, good evening, Anudeep, Sira, Yogesh, turn on your cameras, and Steve, Benjamin, and yes, I asked a couple of people to join, but still people didn't join. Okay, let's. Yes, Sira, you just tell me what is the reason behind getting less marks? I think I just asked you to join, right, at 6:20.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please tell me the top three reason behind getting less marks in your last exam?
Sir, why I got less marks because I did not learn properly and I was a little bit tensed, sir.
You didn't learn, bit tensed. Okay.
Yes.
Anything else apart from that?
Nothing, sir. The
You didn't
test was
learn.
perfect.
Test was perfect. Yeah, I know that
Yes.
test is perfect. The thing is, I don't think that there were like difficult questions of the that very some simple questions, simple paper. And
Yes, sir.
no need of getting tense. It is not going to be your life deciding exam, isn't it? This is
Yes,
not
sir.
just your life deciding exam. It's a simple question paper. So try to make it out for the next exam.
So
I'll
I
give
have doubts in few questions, sir.
Anudeep, just a minute. I'm talking to Shira Ayush, isn't it?
Yes.
Please. I'll give a time to everyone. If anyone can ask your doubts, no problem. We'll discuss all the questions whichever you have doubt. Okay, so Yogesh, see here, take your time. You're writing, you're not even writing at home. You're writing your, like you're not even writing your school, right? You're writing at home. So feel free to attempt the quiz. It's not like, 10 standard, so not considerable excuses, I would say. But because the thing is, I should see you in the top three list, top three, uh, top three ranks, isn't it? In the next exam, will you be able to do that?
Yes, sir. I will improve.
Yes. Okay, let's see. And
Good evening,
let's,
sir.
yes, good evening. Yes, Steve, tell me what are the reasons behind getting less marks?
Sir, yeah. First, I saw the other question which you sent. Like there were two question papers. So the second one came late. So when I checked on that, I had to do it in a hurry. So
So what was the point? Then you had time, right? You had a huge time to adapt your test.
yes, sir. And then some of the concepts went wrong. Like when I was solving.
Hmm. Okay. Everyone turn on your cameras and give the reasons. What else? What else? Steve, I'm asking you only, right?
Yeah, nothing else, sir. Actually, only those two. Like the solution problem. I had to make the concepts correct.
Hmm. Okay. What about others? Anujip, tell me, Anujip. Anujip, are you here? Are you there? Yes, I told Pratyusha Prativa to join at 6 o'clock. Isn't it? I asked a couple of children to join at 6 o'clock.
Yes,
Who are they?
sir, it was me.
Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second, Steve. Prativa, Pratyusha, I'm asking you only. Why will you be keep quiet? I don't understand. I'm asking the question to you, right? First turn on your cameras, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your cameras and tell me the reason. Why didn't you join at 6 o'clock? I asked you to join Bitfund. Diksha, I think you also. Amrita, you also.
Sir, can I grab my textbook?
Yes.
Sir, you said 5:20 and in that time link was not there.
Not 5:20, 6:20.
Sorry, it's at 5:20. It was there in the group.
So 5:20, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, like, your class is at from 6:30 to like 6:30 to 7:30, right? So it was by mistake, I think. So 6:20 it was. I asked a couple of people to join a bit early. The people who got less mark. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, first let's start with the Steve Benjamin. Benjamin, tell me what are the 3 reasons you got less marks?
Sir,
What are the 3 reasons behind getting less marks?
yeah. Sir,
Major 3 reasons, I would say.
major 3 reasons.
So why?
First,
Because that, yes, that message has been passed by management as well. I think so. You just tell me the reasons. Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, first reason was that I didn't get my concepts correct. And the second reason, when I did not get my concept correct, the solution which I got became wrong. Due to that,
Of
I
course, you
lost.
will. If you don't get solved correctly, then you will get wrong.
Yeah, and then some addition mistake and all also happened for me.
Okay. What else?
Then nothing else. Only those two actually.
Okay. Anudeep,
Yes, sir.
tell me. So I think I posted your name as well as Anudeep, isn't it?
Sir?
I think I posted your name as well, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me the reasons. I just common question for everyone. Don't ask me the what is what again. The 3 reasons.
Sir,
I need the major 3 reasons behind getting less marks.
I got confused in few of the trigonometry questions. Few questions I felt they were correct, but after the result has come, I didn't know that was the answer.
Okay.
I was confident with my answer that time.
Yes. Okay. What else?
No, sir, that's it.
Okay, what about
Quadratic
the,
equations, I think I did good.
yes. Okay, what about you, Pratyusha?
Sir, I did silly mistakes. So
You can't say silly mistake. You just tell me what silly mistake those were.
actually, I marked one MCQ wrong. I mean, I solved it right, but I marked it wrong.
Sorry, you marked it wrong. Eh?
Yes, it was a silly mistake.
You got it correct, but you marked it wrong.
So
Hmm.
And
Don't-
sir, a question was wrong in the test.
Which one? The 2 tan 30 divided by that one.
One minute.
Someone has, someone has sent me a picture. Guys, tell me, do you want to turn on your cameras or not? Anyone?
Sir, I sent it to you.
Not now, not now. I'm just asking you whether you want to turn on your cameras or not.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, from next time, can you please upload the test in WiseApp, sir? Because my topper website is not opening, sir. I also talked to Rahul, sir.
See, once we cannot upload like that. The thing is like we have to create the question paper here. So here we have to generate the test. So which is very easy in Topper. So you just talk to Rahul sir in that person. I'll talk to
Sir,
them.
I
No
have
problem.
talked, sir. He has also sent me the video, but sir, after all the procedures, sir, still it is coming that verification code is incorrect, sir. I don't know how it is happening. Sir. I also tried in my
Yes.
laptop, sir, but still.
No problem. You contact Manoj Saraj. I'll talk to them. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And yes, Adityan. Adityan. Adityan, are you here? What is the issue with you? Huh? Adityan, tell me what is the issue with you? What was the problem? Why couldn't you write the test? He's not here. He's not here.
Sir, Adityan isn't here.
Who is Aditya?
So he joined, but then he left.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Amrita, tell me, why did you get less marks? I asked you to join a bit early, right?
Sir, I don't have like three main reasons. It's just like I was not prepared with quadratic equations so well. So I lost marks there only.
So there is no such three reasons that you can give. So only the issue was with quadratic equations, isn't it?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. And what about Diksha Batina?
Sir, the question.
Yes, Sanjay will discuss. Don't worry. Diksha.
Sir, I got confused in 1 to 2 questions and I also needed to revise the topics a little bit more.
Sorry.
I got confused in like 1 to 2 questions and I also needed to revise the topics a bit more.
Okay, you got confused and you didn't revise it, huh?
No, sir, I revised it, but like I needed to revise a bit more.
Okay. So next exam, I should see the people who got less marks. I should see them in top 3. Will you be able to do Diksha, Abrita, Anujay, Pratibha,
Yes.
Pratyusha? I
Yes,
should see
sir.
all in
Yes,
top 3. Top 3. I should see you top 3. Will you be do that? Will you be doing that? Come on, huh?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, very good. Steve, you as well. You Sira Igash, you as well.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, tell me. Tanvi, you tell me what was the mark, how many marks you got, and what is the issue? Was there any issue you are facing with?
No, sir, I got
81.25, sir.
Sorry,
81.25.
81. Exam was for 80 and you got for 81 2 point,
The
81.2
percentage.
percentage I'm asking for.
Yes, sir.
Percentage 81.25. Okay. So what was the problem? Like, just tell me frankly that what were the areas you felt bit difficult?
Sir,
Come on, we see, like after every exam I should discuss with you all.
sir, I lost in quadratic equations.
Okay. Okay. What else? What
Only
else?
quadratic equations.
Okay. Himanshu Singh.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera, Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Why did you turn off your camera? May I know
Yes.
that?
No, sir, just
I didn't say, I didn't give a permission to off your camera to anyone. I don't know. Yes. Shut up. Tell me, shut up.
Yes, sir.
What was the issue?
No issues, sir. Nothing.
Acha. Tushar.
Yes, I got 87.25.
Mhm.
87.5. So most of my mistakes were in quadratic equation. I have seen that,
Okay.
like all of them.
Quadratic, you just got mistake with that. Okay.
Yes, sir. No mistake in trigonometry.
Okay. Good. What about Pratyusha told Udbhav?
Yes, sir.
Udbhav, tell me what was the issue with you? What, like, is there any problem?
No, sir. I got 100%.
You got 100%. Very good.
Yes, sir.
And just guys, tell me overall view. I mean, like what was the what kind of suggestions you would like to give? Feel free to give a suggestion. So, sir, these were the areas. So we could conduct something like this. We could give.
Sir, I would suggest for like revise of the old topics. Like we are going on for the new and new and new. In the middle, some in the random days, we could have some recapitulations of the topics which are done.
See, for that only what I have done. For that only what we have done is Tushar. We had, I just told you this week we are going to have a doubt session. Probably Wednesday session we'll be having a doubt. And in the doubt session, you come up with your doubts if you feel any doubts. And if particularly if you ask me your revision session, for revision session on daily basis, what I felt is what I thought is like to conduct the quizzes, isn't it? To conduct the quizzes so that you could just be in a track. So today I'm going to conduct a quiz on quadratic equation so that many of you are feeling difficult from the quadratic equation, so that we'll have a quiz on that. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
so can we also practice few MCQ type questions, sir?
That MCQ type only, right? We are writing.
Yes, sir. We are getting MCQ for topper, but not for the examination, but
Quizzes.
on random days.
That's what I'm gonna. That is what the intention of conducting the quizzes. In quizzes, you'll be having MCQs only, no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Any suggestions? Yes, any suggestions, guys?
No, sir, not from my side.
Okay. Okay, then we are in a circle. Let us discuss the question paper first. One second, let us discuss the question paper and because if the equation 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has equal roots, then the roots are both what? Both are what? Solve this question. Any doubts, guys? We have solved plenty questions. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the question you have doubt with?
Sir, can you explain the second one? This
Second
one,
one.
sir.
Yes.
The roots of the equation.
Yes. Second, look at it. The question is looking like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, isn't it? It's looking like a quadratic equation standard form. So one second, let us copy this question. This is the question. So how can you solve this? What is a value here? A value is what? A square plus b square. B value is what? Minus 2 times of b, a plus c. What is c value? B square plus c square. The question is looking like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So where a, b, c value is given. And first, what we need to do here? Discriminant. Finding discriminant here. The question is what? Roots are equal. Roots are equal means what? Discriminant supposed to be 0.
Discriminant is 0.
Discriminant 0.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Discriminant supposed to be 0. Is it?
No, sir. No, sir, you're fine.
No, sir.
Okay.
It may be from my side, sir. Just wait a minute.
One second. Okay, discriminant. So what is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b square? Minus 2b into a plus c whole square is equal to, sorry, minus 4a square plus b square. Is that clear? So b square also b square is 4b square a square plus b c square plus 2 times of ac. Here what can I get? Minus a square b square minus 4a square c square minus 4b square b power of 4 minus 4a square c square is equal to 0. Clear? Isn't it? So look at this now. 4b square a square plus 4b square c square plus 8a b square c minus 4a square b square minus 4a square b square minus 4b power of 4 4a square c square is equal to 0. Clear? So how can I do this now? B square a square b square, so I can cancel these two now, isn't it? So a square c square 4b square c square plus 8ab square c minus 4a square b square minus 4b power of 4 minus 4a square c square is equal to 0. Clear? So can I take 4 common from all? 2ab square c minus a square b square minus b power of 4 a square c square is equal to 0. Is it clear with everyone?
So far, yes, sir.
So now look at this. After this, what could we do? Can we split something like this? So this square and this together. So can I take c square common here? So b square minus a square. So from these two, can I take b square common? 2ac minus b square minus b power of 4. Sorry, b a square b square is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Sir,
So
can we not include the minus a square b square in the b square common one?
yes, we can do like that also, no problem. So you don't want to include, so you want to include this a square b square. So 1 second. Look at this. So b square, so from these two, let me take c square common, or from these two, let me take b square common. Which one you want me to do? B square common?
Are we trying to convert it into a square plus b, a plus b whole square?
Yes. I'm just trying out whether we can get it or not. Let's see. C square minus a square. So here plus 2 times of a b square c minus b power of 4 minus a square c square. Isn't it? This is what I got.
Yes,
This is
sir.
what I got. Yes. So after this, this is equal to 0, guys. After this, what? The question is what? This is a question. There should be a minus or plus. Is the question is correct? This is a question you guys were asking me. Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
Is this the question which you asking me?
I'm not sure. I don't know about it.
Someone was asking. Who's that? Look at this. I think we made a mistake here. The roots of the equation, this one, okay. Equal given. So equal means discriminant should be 0 only, correct? Discriminant is what here? B square minus 4ac, you know? B square minus 4ac, correct only. Okay. Is there any calculation mistake we made, guys? Look at this carefully. We must get a proper answer. What's happening? Why? Okay, so one second, guys. Is there open? 1 second. Till this correct only. Look at the check calculation mistake. Look at the calculation mistake. 4b square. Okay.
Sir, over here in the last one, it should be 4b square c square on the first line.
Guys, 1 second. Do we know? 1 second. We know this formula here.
Sir, after minus 4b4 to the power 4, it should be 4b square c square. Can you check it once?
Which one?
Can you scroll up a bit? Yeah. After minus 4b to the power 4, minus 4, shouldn't it be minus 4b square c square?
C square, b square.
Yeah, b square c square, because so first we did a square b square, then a square c square, then b to the power 4, then b square c square.
Yes. So b square c square means what I'm going to get here. So this will get cancelled now, isn't it? So what I remain with again? Okay, 8ab square. I just left with this. I just remain with this. Guys, do we know this formula? You know formula, this one, right? So a minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab
minus 2a.
Or else we know this formula. A square minus 4a square minus 4 times of ab four times of ab is equal to, or else 1 second, instead of doing all this stuff, what I left with, let us write that 8ab square. So
So b square is common in all of the remaining terms. Can we take that as common?
B square is common each. Okay, so after doing that, 8ac minus
and 4 is also common.
Minus 4b square is equal to 0. Can I write like this now? 8ac minus 4a square minus 4b square is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. Then we can take 4 common again and then reduce it to 2ac minus a square minus b square is equal to 0.
We can take 4 common. So 2 times of ac minus 4a square b square. So this can be written as what?
We can transpose the b square because it's in the answers given.
Yes. Minus a square. Okay, what are the options? Yes, options. Look at the options carefully. B square is equal to AC we have. B square is equal to AC we have. But AC means But what is the mistake? I think we have somewhere AC here.
Sir, if we transpose everything, wouldn't it be in the form of a squared plus b squared minus 2a? No, wait, that's
No. We
2ac.
have 2AC. That's why I'm thinking, isn't it? Okay, fine. Is there any mistake? Look at this carefully. We are almost there, but somewhere. Guys, is there any mistake? Please, everyone have a look at this so that we can find it out easily. B square minus 4a square c square minus 4b power 4 minus here b square c square. Okay. Okay, we just cancelled everything. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we made a mistake here only. In these steps.
Sure, over here, it shouldn't be 4a squared b squared, is it? It should be 4a squared c squared, like on the top one. The one that you canceled with the blue ink.
Okay.
Minus 4a squared b squared. If you look on the top, the equation before, it's written minus 4a squared c squared. So you changed it up. If I'm wrong.
This one I changed up.
No. The one on top above that, minus 4a squared c squared. But then you wrote minus 4a squared b squared on the bottom one.
Okay, square b square, 4a square c square, 4b power of 4. 4b square is correct only, no? 4b square is correct only I wrote.
4a squared b squared and then minus 4a squared c squared.
Yeah, it was
not?
a square c square we have here.
But you canceled the minus 4a squared b squared with the blue pen.
Okay, so a square b square cancel, a plus a square b, this one cancel.
But isn't it minus 4a squared c squared in that place?
No. How come it went? Why? It's correct only. Look at this. Here, this part I got this one. So for this one, for this one into this one into this one. So this into this.
Sir, if we simplify it more, don't we get b square minus 4ac? Again, the discriminant value.
B square minus 4ac. How? No.
Sir, can you scroll up a bit? 1 second.
1 second. I think we have
Yes.
to keep it out here itself. 1 second. Let us erase all this here. Okay, let me erase here. Okay, we'll solve this again. 1 second. So a 4b square or else we'll do one thing here, or we'll multiply with the minus here inside, minus 2ab minus 2bc whole square. Clear? Now 4a square b square minus 4a square c square minus 4b square b power of 4 minus 4 b square c square is equal to 0, isn't it? Yes or no?
Sir, I did this in the test, but then I didn't understand what formula to use. A plus b whole square. I took minus common, and then I did a plus b whole square.
A plus b whole square only. So after taking minus common, we have to do this. A plus b whole square only you have to do. So minus of whole square gives me what? Minus 2ab plus 2bc whole square minus 4a square b square minus 4a square c square minus 4b power of 4 minus 4b square c square is equal to 0. So here a square plus b square plus 2 means 8 a b square c, isn't it? Yes or no? So minus 4a square b square minus 4a square c square minus 4b power of 4 minus 4b square c square is equal to 0. Okay, now you can cancel here. 4a square b square minus 4a square 4 minus plus 4b square c square minus 4b square c square. So yes, again I left with that thing. Okay, here we can make some changes.
Sir, can we transpose the 4b minus 4b to the power of 4? No.
If you transpose, you won't be able to get anything. 1 second. Okay. Okay, after this, guys, look at this here. Question is what? B square minus c square? No. Okay, so this is what I got here. A square, b square. Okay, fine. Or else shall we do here itself one thing?
Sir,
One second. Shall we just throw this outside? Arey, why? Look at this. We got it now. Very simple. Don't worry.
sir, I didn't get you.
What I'm trying to say is, look at this here. We just, what I do here is, we'll do like this. Can I do like this? B square, I'm just writing b square is equal to 4ac.
Yes, sir, we can write.
So from this, can I write 2 square means 4, b square, a square plus b square plus 2 times of ac is equal to 4 times.
Sir, a square plus c square plus 2 times of ac.
A square plus c square here. This is okay. This will get cancelled now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so a square, b square, b square, c square, 2ab square c is equal to a square b square plus a square c square plus b power of 4 plus b square c square. Fine. Okay, b square c square gone, a square b square gone, So b power of 4 minus 2ab square c. I'm just shifting this side. So a square b square is equal to 0. So it is looking, can I write this as b square whole square minus 2ab square c plus ac whole square is equal to 0.
Yes,
So
sir, we can.
written as a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to 0 by this is the answer. Clear? Yes or no? Can we do like that? Yes or no? Hello, any doubts? This can be written as b square minus ac whole square. That also, that's, finally I just made it as b square is equal to 4a. B square is equal to ac. Clear? Very simple. Next question. Any doubts in this question, guys? So next, this one. Third one. Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
Fourth one. Fourth one is very simple, guys. Trigonometry. 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. So cot square a, I'm writing 1 by tan square a in the denominator. After that, if I after simplification, I just go out with tan square a. Very simple. Fifth one. Discriminant utna, very simple. I think one of the easiest question. Fifth one. Sixth one. Look, how many have you done with the sixth one?
Sir, I did.
Discriminant of the given equation. Just transport all the things one side and just make it out. Seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Eighth one, guys. Eighth one. How did you make it out? Eighth one. Guys, how many have you done with the eighth one? Tell me, how did you do this? How did you do eighth one? Hello? No one has done this. No one has done this. We have solved the same question, guys. No one is responding. Have you done with this or not? Tell me. If not, I'll teach you.
Sir, I tried it, but I didn't get the whole thing.
Sorry, you done?
I tried it, but I didn't get the final answer.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, I didn't got it. Maybe Udvav have.
Sorry?
Sir, maybe Udvav have got it. He got full marks.
Okay. See, this type of question, guys, already we have solved in the last previous webinar discussion. So, 1 plus cos theta divided by 1.
So we have to rationalize it. 1 multiply by 1 plus cos by 1 plus.
If you rationalize, so you will be getting square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. So this will be 1 plus cos theta divided by sin square theta. So cos square theta, isn't it? Cosec theta plus cot theta. Oh.
Sir, wouldn't the sine square cancel out because we gave the root to both top and bottom, so top would cancel. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square.
Sin theta. So sin theta. Sin theta. So 1 by sin theta.
1 by sine is cosec theta and cos by sinus cot.
So cosec theta plus cot theta. Very simple, isn't it? So this is my answer. Look at this. Option B is correct. Next, 9th one. Guys, 9th one. Tell me x square minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0.
Sir, I have
Done, sir.
Sir, even I have done.
Very good. 10th one.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I
Done.
have done, sir.
And
Very good. 11th one also similar type of
Sir,
question.
done.
Sir, can you do the 12th one?
12th one x. Simple. Hai.
Sir, we need to first simplify that and then bring the RHS to LHS, right?
That is what we have to do. So x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 3x square, 2x plus 1x plus 2. So x square plus 5x, directly write 9x. So 2x plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. So x square, so let me write directly here. 3x square plus 3x, right? This will be 3x. So 3 into 3x, 9x plus 6. So 3x square minus x square, 9x gone. Oh my goodness. Let me write directly here. 2x square, 3x square minus 1x square, 2x square plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So if I take x common, minus 7 is, if I take 2 common, this will be a remain with. Is that clear? So if you simplify this, discriminant of this, b square minus 4ac, so minus.
So, sir, it would be in plus, right? 1 plus. Yes, sir. I wrote discriminant is real and unequal roots, distinct and real roots. I chose option D, but it says it's option B.
Oh, you mean this one?
Yes, sir. That's why I asked the question.
Okay.
Because I'm getting 29 as the discriminant.
1 second. Which one was that? This one, no? Option was real and equal. Not real and equal.
Real and distinct.
Real and distinct. So real and distinct would option D should be correct. Okay, no problem.
Sir, can you resend the updated marks in WhatsApp?
Definitely, sure. Next question. So next question, guys. So no worries. So I'll be taking the exam for 19 questions only. Don't worry. And give the percentage. No problem. Check whether the equation is quadratic equation or not. Tell me. Check whether the equation is a quadratic equation or not.
Yes, sir. Done with this.
Very good. 14th one. 14th one is very simple. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot A can be, you can, if you write in terms of, from cot A, if you find all other trigonometric functions, it will be very easy for you all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 15th
The
one.
15th question is wrong.
1 second. Two tan 30. Can you please tell me the question? 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So tan 30 is root 3, 1 by root 3, isn't it? So 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 minus 2 by 3. So if I just calculate root 3 into root 3 by 2, I'm just reciprocating this will get cancelled. Root 3 is answer. Root 3 is 1 tan 60. Tan
Yes,
60.
sir. The question is correct.
Question is correct, man. Tan 60. C option. Who told, man? Pakka correct. Hello, Anujip.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Next, 9th one is 1. 9th one is 9 into secant square minus tan square is 1. So 9 into 1 is 1. Sorry, 9. Option B is correct. So 10th one. Sorry, 17th one. Tell me 17th one.
Yes, sir. Done with this.
18th one. Similar
It's
question.
similar to that.
Similar type, but one we have plus here.
Sir, I think I saw this question, sir. Sin 60 it is
This is
given.
also correct. This is also correct.
Says the change in operation.
No, yes, only the change is minus. Same question, but minus.
Oh, okay.
Yes. 19th one. Option 0 is correct. D option is correct. 28th one. 28th one is option A is correct.
0 degrees.
Yes. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, tell me. Any doubt, guys? So any doubts from the entire question paper now?
No doubts.
I think
No, sir, no doubt.
people who got less marks and people who got who got doubts, I hope I cleared your doubts. Is there any doubt, guys? Tell me any doubts. Hello. Hello. Okay. So guys, we'll do quizzes from next class onwards. After clearing your doubts, we'll start quizzes from next class onwards. So yes, now guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you don't have, let's wind up the session now. We'll meet in the next session. And then goodbye. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.